Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 sound and speaker problem fix. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is go to the settings of your device and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on apps and then you have to select the second option of manage apps over here. So just tap on manage apps. Now on the search bar, you can just search for system launcher. So just type system launcher and then tap on the option. You can see the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that and select on clear cache. Select OK. Then tap on force stop. Select on OK. Now what you can do is go back and tap on the power button of your device and make sure that you reboot the device, and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.